Yeah, this is small waterfall. Looking there. The top one, the big one was spectacular. As we went up, it said, read there, Kevin, it said, no swimming. Do not enter the water. Specifically for those that want to enter.
Now I remember coming here.
Yeah. Wow.
Tell me that one footage.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. People are coming.